Hey boss, hey guys, friends, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about identifiers. Now, I've been explaining much concerning or about variables and data types. Let's now look onto identifiers. Now, what are identifiers? Identifiers are the ones that help us to know how do we write a variable. For instance, you cannot just come and say maybe hash /c equals to having 5. However much I may write this in a good way and I say int /c equals to 5, it's a good thing, but again it's not the best way to write. / is already preserved the word in programming. How about backslash is also preserved the word in preserved the character in programming. So you need to define a variable that way. We also have hash. Hash is not used whenever defining a variable. Hash is used for preprocessor directive declaration. So if you give it there, then expect to have an error. You get? So that's it. So whenever you're defining up your variable in C programming, we need to know that there's some words that are preserved. Like for example, art. That art // you get? Talk of a dot, you're defining a variable with a dot. We don't use that. Now, that's what identifier tells us, that whenever you're defining up a variable, there are some key terms you shouldn't use. If you're going to say maybe a equals to having that, the program is going to look through that and check what does that really contain. If that one is going to be like maybe int equals to 8, the program is going to calculate really what's really going on. It's going to cause that to be given us as the right thing. If you want to use maybe other characters, you can simply say art, underscore something. That's also okay. But now these are two different variables. We have a and art, they are two different things. They mean two different things in variable declaration. Like for instance, if you talk of a and capital A are two different things in programming. So we need to be very curious and understand how to write them. Maybe another thing that I need to talk to under identifiers is underscore and camel casing. Though I'm going to go much on details on the next video on how to describe that. But on this video, I give assumption talk on first underscore name. That's just another way of defining a variable, which this can be something else and maybe double quote or blah 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 of yours. So otherwise, in simple term, what I'm trying to mean here, identifiers are always the words used how to define, or always words that help us derive how a variable is declared in a given program. So you have to be very careful. There are some keywords that are not used, // you get at, maybe hash. Those are keywords that are already preserved. You shouldn't use them in programming. Otherwise, if you find this video interesting, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And two, next video is going to be much of the underscore and camel casing, and we shall break all of those stuffs in next video. So otherwise, have a nice time. Thank you.